Helo, helo, ydych chi'n clywed? Helo, ydych chi'n clywed? Profi, profi, profi. O, boes bach. Profi, profi. Reit, falle bod hwn yn digwydd. Dwi ddim yn siŵr. Gobeithio bod e. Helo. Lle mae lefelau microffon. Gadewch ni weld beth sydd ni. Mae'r offer newydd yn gweithio, gobeithio. Mae'r offer newydd. Helo, shout out I fi yw Hyw, y Bobs, a rydw i newydd gael brecwast. Dau brecwast. Dwi wedi seiclo nôl. O'r lle ges I brecwast. Dwi wedi penderfynu trio meddalwedd ar cyfrineiriau a mae'n ymddangos bod nhw wedi gweithio. Gawn ni weld yn hwyrach ymlaen os ydw i'n siarad yn ofer. Welcome to the people who can't speak Welsh. If there are any people here who can't speak Welsh, raise your hand and go, excuse me, I don't understand. Despite the fact that I'm wearing a Get Built t-shirt, I've never been more full of food or carbohydrates. And it's fortunate that I've been on the bike because otherwise I wouldn't have been able to arrive back at my house. I was so full. Dyma fy llyfrau. These are my books. Dyma, here. Fy, my, llyfrau, books. Dyma fy llyfrau. Here are my books. Other Welsh lessons and teachers are available, but only on Wpla Bobby Hoc Do. 23, do you get? 101 things to do instead of playing on your phone. I'm going to turn to this. Page 20. Make notes on how to get started on one project you've always wanted to tackle. So, I'm going to make my notes. One project I've always wanted to tackle is to get my computer working. So, I've done it. Hopefully. There we are. Marvellous. Absolutely fantastic. Ydy'r sgrin yn mynd yn fwy llachar? Na, mae'r sgrin yn ddigon llachar. Dwi'n mynd yn llai llachar. Less bright. Llai llachar. Less bright. Let's see if we can see those words on a whiteboard. Have I got a whiteboard? Let's check. I've got a marker. I'm looking for the whiteboard. There is no whiteboard there. It's a white cardboard envelope. Dyma'r bwrdd gwyn. Dyma'r bwrdd gwyn. Here is the whiteboard. Dyma'r bwrdd gwyn. Dyma. Here. Dyma'r. Here is. A bwrdd. So the apostrophe R. Dyma'r bwrdd gwyn. Y bwrdd. The white. The board. The adjective follows the noun. So dyma'r bwrdd gwyn. Here is the whiteboard. This is the whiteboard. Dyma'r bwrdd gwyn. This is the whiteboard. Or here is. You need to teach me English. I'll teach you Welsh. Dyma'r bwrdd gwyn. This is the whiteboard. Whiteboard is one word. Please forgive me. Dyma'r bwrdd gwyn. This is the whiteboard. Mae'r sgrin, the screen, mae'r sgrin, yn llai llachar, is less bright. Is less bright. Now, ar ôl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, mae yn fwy llachar. Yn fwy llachar. It's brighter. It's more bright. It's brighter. Yn fwy llachar. Now, in Welsh, that sound sounds as if you're going to vomit. Or, as opposed to vomiting, spit. Or clear one's throat. Do it by putting your teeth together and keep your tongue behind your teeth. None of this nonsense. None of that. Underline it, Bobsy. Llai llachar. Llai llachar. Mae'r sgrin yn fwy llachar. Now, when you see this word, Dafydd, remember in Welsh, that one F there in Dafydd is Dafydd. And the double D is So I really want to see that tongue. I really want to see that tongue. This could go on. Yes, it's that hideous. Dafydd. Dafydd. Dav. V. Look at the V there. So, any people seeing Welsh words with this letter in it, V, a, n. Mae'r van yn teithio lawr y stryd. The van is travelling down the street. The van is travelling down the street. Mae'r van yn teithio. Teithio has another double consonant in it. TH, as in through. Teith. I really want to see the tongue again. Teithio. Teithio. Teithio means to travel. Mae'r van yn teithio. Mae'r van yn teithio lawr y stryd. And believe me, outside our house, you get lots of vans travelling down the street. Mae'r van yn teithio. See that? Teithio there? You see that? Hold on. There. See it? Teithio. It's got that sound there. Teithio. Dafydd. Dafydd. Van. Not fan, because Budgie have got a song called Bread Van. No, it's not Bread Van. It's bread, yeah, no, sorry. It's not Bread Fan, it's Bread Van. Van, because Burke Shelley, bless him, when he saw the signs in Welsh on the street, on the motorways, on the roads, he would often see the letter And it's not but it's in Welsh, you see. Van. Van. Another word would be, he thinks, in vain. Okay, so that's the end of the lesson. Hope you've enjoyed it. We haven't got any music today. One step at a time. Un cam ar y tro. Diolch yn fawr am wrando. Mae'r prawf drosodd. Let's hope it works. Bye-bye.